Exploring human versus artificial intelligence, unveiling the contrasts. Welcome back, fellow learners, to the latest trends of education. Today, we're diving into an intriguing comparison. Human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. Human intelligence, a marvel of evolution, and artificial intelligence, the brainchild of modern technology, stand as two titans in the realm of cognition. Let's unpack their disparities: evolution, essence, functionality, pace of operation, learning ability, choice-making, perfection, adjustments, flexibility, social networking, and operation. Let's start with evolution. While human intelligence is ingrained in our very nature, artificial intelligence owes its inception to brilliant minds like Norbert Wiener, pioneers in the field. Human intelligence is all about adaptation, blending cognitive activities to navigate new situations seamlessly. On the flip side, artificial intelligence strives to mimic human behavior, executing tasks that we would typically undertake. When it comes to functionality, humans harness the power of memory, processing, and innate talents. Meanwhile, AI relies on processing data and commands to function efficiently, and the pace of operation. Well, humans are no match for AI's lightning-fast processing capabilities. While we may take minutes to solve a problem, AI can churn out solutions in seconds. Learning ability is another differentiator. Human intellect thrives on diverse experiences, shaping our understanding of the world. In contrast, AI learns through exposure and practice, lacking the abstract thinking that defines human cognition. But what about decision-making? Humans, influenced by subjective factors, often face the specter of error. However, AI's objective evaluation of facts ensures consistent, accurate outcomes. Adaptability is key in an ever-changing world. While humans excel at adjusting to new circumstances, AI struggles to keep pace with rapid changes. And let's not forget social networking. Human intelligence shines in its ability to understand emotions and connect with others, a realm where AI still has much ground to cover. In operation, human creativity knows no bounds. While AI enhances system performance without the spark of human creativity. So, there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the divergent paths of human and artificial intelligence. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating trends shaping the world of education. Until then, keep learning and exploring the frontiers of knowledge. This is the latest trends of education, signing off.